Hello, my name is Eddie with Multi-Man Services, and I just got done with a really fun outdoor cedar siding cleaning. This whole entire house was almost black and dingy from a lot of mold, mildew, buildup of dew over the morning. So we applied our cleaner on there, rinsed everything down, and we also did a roof clean on this side of the house. Everything went really well. It's had years of buildup of the lichen and the moss and a lot of that black algae. And so all the black algae is all gone. The roof is completely restored. It looks way better than it used to. So if you look behind me in the shingles, you probably notice that some of the shingles have a lot of the roots, the lichen, the moss still kind of up there. It's yellow, it's white. And that means that it's dead. It's no longer going to grow. And it's taken years for it to grow roots in between the aggregate of the shingles, so you need to let that dry up and let the hard rays rinse that off. But I mean, overall this house is a complete restoration. It looks completely amazing. I'm super happy with how the work turned out, and it was a super fun project. We did a little bit of extra bonus cleans back here. This patio back here had a lot of nasty green stuff on it, so I applied my cleaner on there, and you can just kind of see how nice everything came out here. The sun's not going to, okay, so a lot brighter and really nice. So a few extra bonus cleans over here on this side of the house. Essentially got everything cleaned up really nice. You can kind of see. We also did a basic clean on your deck here on all sides and made sure that there wasn't any visible mold or mildew. And I kind of slipped a couple times on this, so I just went ahead and power washed it and got that cleaned up for you. Went ahead on the inside of your screened-in porch here and got all this restored. Looking really nice. Ceiling, everything. Washed down all the trim in between all here. So if you're a homeowner that has a cedar sided house, stained black, you'd like to get it cleaned up, and your roof is just getting kind of nasty, let me show you another side here. It's going to need to be cleaned, otherwise you're not going to be left with the roof much longer. It's just going to be eaten away. It's just too bright over here. Can't really show you what I'm trying to show you. But yeah, the sun's not really cooperating with this video here today. But just wanted to film this video to show, you know, a little bit about how the work went, after that we did, and I know that you're going to be super happy when you get home. And so, any questions or concerns you have about our work, please hesitate to give me a call. You can reach me on my personal cell, 815-520-6020. Have a great day.